and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, so today I'm going to make for the dad a sweater. Also superhero like Batman, like he's the same as his son. His son's called Superman, so dad and son can have something in common. I'm going to make this jersey or sweater the same way I made for Sally the mum with the butterfly. It's actually, very easy. Because this is just the right width for them. So yeah, in that case, let's get started. So that shirt came out a bit short. The first place I did the ribbing wrong side around, so I zigzag over it just to make it, because I didn't want to get anything loose. And then this picture is not in the center, but that's not my fault, it's how the socks were made. So I'm thinking about, I've got yellow t-shirt somewhere and just make this with black, just a bit longer, because I don't like it's too short. So back to a drawing board. That's much better. So now it's time for the photo shoot. And please, if you like this video, click on that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're a first time watcher, ring that little bell so that you can get notifications every time I upload a video. And yeah, it's not just about making the clothes, it's about the house, all the furniture for the house, yeah, and clothes for all the family members. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. Bye.